When original wire colors do not match Goodman standard colors, do not assume function by color alone. Start by identifying each wire's origin and destination using continuity testing or by temporarily reconnecting one circuit at a time while the system is powered down. Label every conductor clearly with durable tags and a permanent marker before disconnecting anything so you maintain a reference as you work. Consult the specific model wiring diagram and control schematic for the Goodman unit because manufacturers sometimes change internal terminal layouts even when terminal labels remain the same. If a wire is part of a multi-conductor cable, verify shielding and common conductors to avoid swapping commons and neutrals. For low voltage thermostat wiring, use a meter to check voltage between conductors to find the 24 volt, common and power lead. For line voltage circuits, always verify power is removed and use a non-contact tester before touching conductors. When replacing multi-component assemblies, reassign new wires to the original functional terminals rather than by color, and document the final color to terminal mapping on the unit and in your service record. The most common mistake is assuming color equals function, which leads to cross-connecting control circuits, so always trace and test and then relabel to prevent future confusion. Another frequent issue is losing track of a common conductor when several cables share a ground or neutral. The fix is to identify and mark common bundles and confirm with continuity checks before reassembly. A third concern is not updating documentation after repairs, which causes repeated errors for later technicians. Take a photograph, write the terminal to color mapping on the unit, and update any job notes so the next person does not rely on color memory. BigHomeProjects.com is our homeowners and contractors marketplace where we help people find trusted local contractors and contractors find work. We also host an active discussion community so both homeowners and tradespeople can ask questions, share wiring photos, and learn from real-world troubleshooting experiences.